Hi, Nyla. It's Mimi. So, I created a video channel for you so I could read you books and you could hear my voice and maybe you might go to sleep with a bedtime story. So, I already read this one to you, but I'm going to read it to you again so that it will be our first book in our collection. All right. This book is called The Flea's Sneeze. I know it's upside down, but you can't read yet, so it don't matter, okay? All right, just trust me. That's what it says. It's a very cute picture. All right. Here's a picture of the barn where the flea is sleeping. All right, I gotta turn it around so I can see. Hey, hi, Nyla. On a dark, dark night, on an old farm, in a rickety, crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. See, they're all sleeping in the barn. You see that? They're all sleeping. Whoops, they're all sleeping. Okay. There's all the animals. That's a cow right there, the big one. And that's an owl. And that's a chicken or a hen. Here's a cat. We used to have a cat. There's a pig and a dog. We used to have a dog. You have to ask your mama and daddy about the dog. I think they both have scars from the dog. We have a frog and a bat. Okay, reading. A rat, a cat, a black-eyed bat, a cow, an owl, a feathered fowl, a dog, a hog, an old barn frog. Everyone slept peacefully, but not the flea. Oh no, what's wrong with the flea? Okay. Next page. You see the flea on top of the mouse? What's going on? No one heard him cough. Oh, this is everybody in the barn again. You see everybody in the barn? Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. Oh, Lord, what is going on with the flea? Look at the flea on top of the mouse. Goodness gracious. No one heard him sniffle, sniffle. Oh, no, he got the sniffles. I don't think you've had the sniffles yet. You ain't been here long enough, but one day you might. Oh, there's everybody in the barn again. Oh, my Lord. Okay, let's read it. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. Look at everybody sleep here, Nyla. There's the cow and the dog and the rooster and the bat. Everybody's sleeping. Look at the pig and the cat and the owl and the mouse. Everybody sleep. Except the flea. See the flea on top of the mouse? He's not sleeping. Oh, goodness. Let's see what's going on here. No one heard his garbled plea. Did anybody have a tattoo for me? Oh, look, he's so sad. His little nose. You have a little cute nose like that too, but we don't want you to have a cold. Okay, that's why I told your mama to keep you inside. All right. No one heard him, not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. Oh my goodness. Look, everybody's sleeping. Everybody's sleeping. The dog, the cat, the frog, the owl, this big old cow, the hen, the rooster, the pig. What's over here? The mouse. Oh my goodness. But not the flea. He's got a sneeze. Oh, poor thing. Then suddenly, before he could cover his snoot, achoo! Oh my goodness, it was a big sneeze. Look at that, achoo! And look, he bounced off the mouse. And look, he woke up the mouse. Oh my goodness, what happened? Look, everybody is all shocked. Let's see what happened. It scared the rat, who cried boo-hoo, and woke the cat, who hissed my roll. It baffled the bat, whose eyes turned blue, and confused the cow, who muttered moo, moo. Oh my goodness. Oh, more people are upset. Look at everybody, the dog and the owl and the pig. Oh, what they all say. Nyla, it's just too much going on in this story. It outraged the owl, who hollered hoo, hoo, and flustered the fowl, who crowed cock-a-doodle-doo. It daunted the dog, who barked woo, woo, and sprayed the hog, who screamed ee-you, and reminded the frog of his old nephew. Oh my goodness, everybody's upset. Look at that. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Everybody's upset. Okay, now what happens? Oh goodness. It's too much going on in this story, Nyla. But now look, there's the mouse and there's the flea. Here's a tissue. Let's see what happens. But the mouse, the flea used for a house, kindly gave him a tissue. The flea wiped his nose, and before his eyes had even closed, he began to doze. Are you dozing now, Nyla? Are you sleeping? Giving your mom a little break? Oh, look. Z's, everybody's going to sleep. For all the rest of that dark, dark night on the old, old farm in the rickety, crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. Oh, everybody's sleeping. Whew. I was getting worried. I didn't know what was going to happen in the story. Okay, what happens next? Oh, look, Nai-Nai. Everybody back to sleep. Okay, the flea and the mouse he used for the house, the rat, the cat, the black-eyed bat, the cow, the owl, the feathered fowl, even the dog and the old barn frog. Everyone slept just like a log. Except the hog. Oh no. Look at the hog. He looks all tired and sick now. No one heard his garbled wheeze. I think I gotta sneeze. Oh no. The hog got sick. Well, that is The Flea's Sneeze. Ask your mom. It was one of her favorite books, which is why I chose this one first. Good night.